YouTube family, what's good? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing the 5-Star Barber Dryer. Super excited to unbox this bad boy with you guys. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most definitely leave a like, and don't be shy to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content, what I should, what I shouldn't do. Your input will definitely be helpful.